Transmission we have here is a T56. This is out of a 0304 Mustang Cobra with the supercharged 4.6 liter. This particular transmission came in, was locked up in fourth gear. The initial incident took place when the owner was at the drag strip running the car. Car has, again, supercharged 4.6, different pulley, tune, makes good power, over 500 horsepower at the tires. So, a couple things we see here. We can see this transmission, the fork pads are beat up. They're beat up because of shifting aggressively. The reason for it binding up and not wanting to come out of fourth gear, we can see that on the magnet there you have the keepers, detents that are in the slider. This is the slider, this is the hub, and this is a little component that basically will go into the taper of the hub and indicate. That's what you hear when the transmission clicks into gear. You hear those pucks going into the machined groove on the slider assembly. So here's the one that failed. This was actually on the 3.4 hub assembly, and they're all broken. They do have billet ones that you can replace these little sheet metal stampings with, that are a little bit more robust and hopefully more durable. But unfortunately, with any application like this, abusive, aggressive driving, flat shifting is just going to make the transmission fail. There is a certain amount of, owner responsibility to make these transmissions hold up. You can see on the slider itself, the teeth are rounded off. The teeth on the gears are damaged, and you can also see someone had been in here and put these fiber line synchronizers in it, which I've heard things about these fiber line synchronizers, but this synchronizer clearance is very, very minimal. So, and the gear itself being damaged, that's going to need to be replaced. Here's the other gears. That's third gear. You can see that one's beat up. Not quite as bad as these, but here's another one there. You can see that the grinding that he was hearing basically is damaged the dog teeth. So we have quite a few gears that are going to need to be replaced as well. So doing this, we'll be able to upgrade some of the internal components to improve durability, but ultimately the lifespan of the transmission is going to be determined by the way the vehicle is used. The transmission was apart previously, and he upgraded to the higher spline count input shaft. So we'll get this one priced out, and but after some of the upgrades are installed, again, it will improve its function, but abuse will break anything.